Hi all. Today we're going to be talking about the Mediation Act 2023. Whenever there's any civil dispute, the parties usually have the option of going to courts and arbitration, but in the current Mediation Act, the parties also have the option to go for mediation. So what is mediation? The Mediation Act 2023 was a legislation passed by the Parliament to regulate and to promote it as a dispute resolution. And the objective of this act was to promote institutional mediation, make mediation a structured process, and to encourage the parties to resolve the disputes amicably and to basically reduce the burden of courts. Instead of approaching the court, the parties may first attempt to go to the mediation, and if irrespective of whether there is an agreement or not, the parties can still opt for mediation. So in the mediation agreement, usually there's a written agreement between parties to settle for any dispute, and it can be part of a contract or it can be a separate agreement for mediation. So the mediation can be done by any person. Anyone can be a mediator. The parties can choose the mediator, or they can go for any mediation service provider. So the mediation service provider will provide mediator within 7 days. So the entire mediation process should get over within 120 days. So this way mediation is actually it completes in a very shorter span of time, and with the parties consent, the mediation can extend for 60 more days, but that is the maximum period by which mediation should be over. And the biggest advantage of mediation is its confidentiality between the parties, and the mediator plays a very important role here. He must be impartial and he must be a neutral party. And once the mediation is finished and the parties agree to settle, a mediation should be recorded with a settlement agreement. It should be a written statement and it should be signed by all parties. And the mediation will be binding and it has the same status as a court decree. Mediation is enforceable and it is enforceable as a court, like a court judgment. But there are some restrictions for mediation. Following cannot be gone for mediation, that is the criminal offenses and tax matters and related to any matrimonial disputes. These cannot go for any mediation. So let's now discuss the difference between the mediation and arbitration. So the key difference is that our mediation is more like a settlement with mutual consent between the parties. Both the parties should be okay with the settlement. But arbitration is more like a dispute resolution process where the neutral third party arbitrator hears the proceedings of the arbitration and then makes a decision or the award, which is binding on the parties. Both are binding on parties, but mediation is more like a acceptable settlement. Both the parties have to agree to it. And arbitration is the decision of the arbitrator is final and is binding on the parties. Thank you so much.